Justice unclear for a family in Las Cruces whose loved one was brutally stabbed to death in his home last year.
Yeah, they say the accused killer had a history of violence, and as the trial date approaches, they worry she might not face the full punishment they believe should be served. KTSM 9 News reporter Diana Castillo spoke with the victim's sister about the case and brings us what's next.
He was such a bright and bubbly young man. He had friends everywhere.
But on August 29th, 2024, Michael Mata was fatally stabbed inside his Las Cruces home. He was only 30 years old.
It tore our family apart. We've all had to get counseling.
Now, the person accused of stabbing Michael is Selena Carrillo, who was 28 at the time. Investigators say she was in a relationship with Mata's sister, Luisa. Now, that August morning, police had received a call about a domestic disturbance between the couple. Mata's older sister, Vanessa, says police had been called to the home before, and her brother was often caught in the middle.
A judge allowing this violent person who has a history of violence with these same people at the same residence, allowing her back to that residence was a recipe for what occurred.
Carrillo was arrested and charged with first-degree murder and battery against a household member. But Vanessa says prosecutors have told her the charge could be reduced to second degree through a plea deal, something she says would not make sense for the case.
She left the home after this argument, and she had every free-willing right to stay away from the residence and not return. But she returned ready to do something to somebody. And to me, that spells premeditation right there.
The Doña Ana County District Attorney's Office confirms Carrillo does have a criminal history, but no prior domestic violence convictions. They add she once faced a misdemeanor battery charge, but that case was later dismissed. In the meantime, as Carrillo's trial date approaches in October, Michael's family says they will continue to seek justice.
Forever and ever, Michael!
Diana Castillo, KTSM 9 News.